Canadian supply chains continue to realize significant value through direct partnerships with Frazier, where our racking serves as the backbone of their operations. Our Trenton, Ontario facility delivers high-quality racking solutions to warehouses coast to coast. They are made in Canada, built for Canada. Recently, Frazier has designed, manufactured, and installed major racking systems nationwide. That means projects spanning more than 15 different industries, from thriving small businesses to premier international corporations, all essential parts of the Canadian supply chain. Every customer is unique. That's why we design racking solutions tailored to their exact needs. From start to finish, our seasoned engineers and supply chain professionals guide them with precision and expertise. From standard selective racks to rack-supported structures and semi-automated solutions, we help customers boost productivity, maximize storage, cut labor costs, and more. With over 75 years of supply chain experience, Frazier delivers scalable, sustainable rack systems built for today's Canadian supply chain and tomorrow's growth. Customers continue to choose Frazier because we are more than just a rack manufacturer. We are a real-time partner invested in their success. We're here to help transform your warehouse into a top performer that drives the Canadian supply chain forward. Your next project starts here. Reach out now.